Dino has lost his seat in the Kogi West rerun election that happened today. In the ninth assembly will go on without Dino Melaye. It is finished, they say. Once more, this is Njenje Media TV, the only channel that explores the news behind the headlines you read. Senator Dino Melaye is not coming back in the Senate. No comeback in the Kogi West election rerun. There appears to be no redemption, no comeback for Senator Dino Melaye in Kogi West district rerun, as he has been electorally spanked by his opponent, Senator Smart Adeyemi. Njenje Media can authoritatively say that Dino Melaye is not coming back. However, we do not agree that Smart Adeyemi defeated Dino Melaye. What has happened is that federal might combined with state might has been against Dino Melaye. We saw as when the election happened before in Kogi State, helicopters went into work. We saw thousands of ballot boxes were snatched, filled to the brim by the votes casted in favor of the opponent. During the PDP era, we knew and we saw electoral malpractice. What has been witnessed in Kogi as it is today is nothing seen in the history of Nigeria. Not even the western region that eventually sank into Operation Waitier in early 1960s that culminated into the coup of 1967 and led to the eventual collapse of the Republic. It is sad indeed to see Dino no longer in the Senate. The APC has finally destroyed Dino Melaye. Oh dear Dino, who would dance with us in the Senate? Who would dance with Senator Adeleke? Now you can go back and maybe start producing music for the people. The opponent that Melaye once characterized as his political wife continued with his winning momentum as many results from the 53 polling units streamed in. The ones Njenje Media saw conclusively may confirm that Dino Melaye is no longer coming back to the Senate. PDP won only 2 units, while Smart Adeyemi won 24. 24 to 2. Even a dead person cannot save Dino Melaye from the shackles of the Kogi State Governor and Smart Adeyemi. Dino, you are gone, and you are gone for good. Once more, this is Njenje Media Channel. Dino Melaye is no longer coming back to the Senate.